Tesla's brand new iteration of Tesla bot called Optimus. Now there are two different kinds. We're going to go over how much this Tesla bot even cost, and is this going to actually be a reality? Will Tesla actually make these robots? Let's get right into it. Tesla's AI Day just happened, and when we're talking about the future of Tesla, of course Tesla is mostly known for their full self-driving cars, their Tesla vehicles running on all electricity. Well, the same technology, if you're unaware, full self-driving is in these new robots called Tesla Bot. Well, now there are two versions, the first being called this. Tesla Bot is now called Bumblebee, which you can see right here. This is their brand new Tesla Bot, again called Bumblebee. And let's go over some of the cool things that Tesla announced. Then we're going to go over how much this actual robot costs and what is the whole purpose of making all of these robots. So check this out, the car versus the robot. Well, the Tesla is known very well for some of its performance features, and Tesla Bot has features of its own. So this brand new Bumblebee Tesla Bot can do forward walking, walk upstairs. It can lift objects, go forward and backwards, sidestep an object, and much, much more. We're going to show you actually video that Tesla released of this Tesla Bot picking up objects in an office setting. And also this robot is meant for very repetitive jobs. Let's say in a manufacturing plant. You can see that video right here. So full self-driving is in this Tesla Bot. So it's constantly scanning objects and pathways. We're talked about a lot at AI Day. This Tesla Bot is 160 pounds. And if you can relate it to something as far as energy consumption, it actually consumes just as much as a high-end gaming PC would as far as electricity. It is fully a biologically inspired design, going with the full 5-finger effect, able to grip and move independently, this Tesla Bot. Let me play this clip right now of Elon talking about the cost of how much this robo-bot will be.
Made in low volume, whereas Optimus is designed to be an extremely capable robot, but made in very high volume, probably ultimately millions of units, and it is expected to cost much less than a car.
I'll just bring it directly to the right here.
I would say probably less than $20,000.
So $20,000, and I just want to give you this thought right now. So $20,000 to do repetitive tasks or unsafe tasks in a maybe manufacturing plant like Tesla's gigafactories. Do you think this is actually going to come to fruition? There's two different bots. The second bot seen here is really meant for Tesla's own technology. In this bot, they're going to have different kinds of batteries, not off-the-shelf products. It's going to be Tesla's own parts. But what do you think about this? Is this going to be something that's rolled out manufacturing wide? Is this going to be adopted by other companies for $20,000 or less? When you really think about how much you're paying for labor and benefits and all these things, it gets a little controversial, but for those repetitive and especially unsafe tasks, let me know what you think about that in the comment section below. Three other really cool things I want you to learn about this AI Day that will apply to the future of Tesla. So if you are thinking about buying a car and integrating as much of this Tesla technology in the future, listen to this. Monthly Tesla podcast and annual AI Days to continue. Elon says, we'll try to do this every year and we might do a monthly podcast even. I think it would be great to bring you along for the ride and show you what cool things are happening. So do you think that having a monthly AI Day where you learn about the technology going into your car or Tesla Bot or what have you, do you think that would be valuable? Point number two, speaking of full self-driving, which is in the Tesla Bot, there are now 120,000 users just compared to a year ago using full self-driving. Now, if you don't know this, your car comes with basic autopilot. And again, now we're talking about the vehicles. You can get enhanced autopilot or full self-driving. So think about this. Last year, just 12 months ago, there was only 2,000 users of full self-driving, and now there are 150,000. And they're basically pacing to have 250,000 users, let's say by next year with full self-driving. Would you use it at the current price tag of now $15,000, just went up from $12,000? or the $200 subscription per month. Are you going to spring for full self-driving? I personally would not. I think that the basic autopilot is enough. But let's get into the third point I want to make, the big takeaway of this AI day. Dojo supercomputer update. So this is important because this is the technology that talks amongst machines at Tesla to constantly be learning. It's that AI technology, it's that proprietary chip in their machines. And just last year, Tesla revealed Dojo's first chip and training tiles that it would later develop into Exapod. So last night, Tesla announced that the first Exapod is expected to be completed by the first quarter of next year. So all in all, a lot of big takeaways from AI Day, with the main factor being Tesla bots. Do you think this is something that is going to become a reality? We can just tell by the video footage of Tesla bot that it's nowhere near production ready. And actually, the last point I want to make is, when should we expect this new and improved Tesla bot to be in mass production? Well, of course, with any prediction from Tesla and Elon Musk, you have to take it with a grain of salt. But when asked his AI team and Elon, when should we expect that Tesla bot will come into production, Elon thought about it for a minute and said 3 to 5 years. So is Tesla bot the future? Will this be a success? I want to know what you think. And if you are interested in Tesla updates, whether it's vehicle or Tesla bot, and especially that EV tax credit that's going to come, more information at the end of this year, make sure to subscribe to get all of those updates. And the only way I know you like this video is to drop a like and consider subscribing for all of that information. Again, this is Matt from Front to Trunk. We will see you in the next video.